Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating Canon error code 1300 on your printer, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about this error, from what it means to the common causes and simple solutions. By the end, you'll be printing like a pro again. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is error code 1300? This code typically pops up on Canon printers when there's an issue with the paper feeding mechanism. It often signals a problem like a paper jam or misalignment, which can halt your printing tasks. If you've ever tried to print something and got this error, you know how annoying it is. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most common culprits include a jammed piece of paper that's stuck inside the printer, dust or debris buildup in the paper path, or even worn-out rollers that aren't gripping the paper properly. Sometimes, it's as simple as using the wrong paper type or loading it incorrectly. Environmental factors, like humidity, can also play a role in 2025's advanced printer models. Alright, time for the good part, the solutions. Start by turning off your printer and unplugging it for about a minute to reset it. Once it's back on, open the paper tray and carefully check for any jammed paper. Gently remove it without forcing anything, as that could cause more damage. Next, clean the rollers and paper path using a soft, lint-free cloth, maybe even a bit of isopropyl alcohol for stubborn grime. Make sure your paper is loaded correctly and matches the printer's specifications. If that doesn't work, try running a printer alignment or maintenance cycle through the settings menu on your computer or the printer's control panel. For more persistent issues, update your printer drivers from Canon's official website. And remember, if you're dealing with an older model, it might be time to consider a replacement part. There you have it. Quick, effective ways to fix Canon error code 1300. If you follow these steps, you should be back up and running in no time. If you're still having trouble, reach out to Canon support or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy printing!